and welcome to Fox and Hair Creations. I'm Bree, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make French knots. And so you can see here I have them in a bunch of different sizes, and that just all depends on how many times you wrap your working thread around your needle. So first I'm going to come up through the fabric and I'm going to show you how to do a traditional French knot with 3 wraps, 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to come back down through the fabric really close to where I came in, but not back through, because you'll just undo your knot in that case. So I'm going to go all the way down, and then I'm going to come back up and do the same thing. So I'm going to wrap around the needle 3 times, 1, 2, and 3. Hold it, and then go back down close to the entry point, not far away, and back down, and holding on to my working thread too, so the knot doesn't get all distorted when you're pulling it through. And you'll see here I've sped it up, and I'm just going to show you the different ways that, you know, how many times you can wrap around. So that was 1. You can see I made like a little micro French knot. And there's a typical one, and then I think I can't remember what I'm going to do next. So French knots are super easy, as you could see in this video. Let me know in the comments below whether this was helpful or not, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Thanks. Bye.